Most creators struggle to get 1,000 subscribers, but I was able to grow my YouTube channel to 6,000 subscribers. The secret wasn't fancy editing or expensive gear. It was live streaming. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step the strategies that work, the mistake I made, and also how you can use live streaming to grow your channel even if you are just starting out. And stick with me to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you the one live streaming tip that changed everything for my channel. Let me start with a quick story. When I first started out YouTube, I really didn't have a niche figured out. I didn't think I could even grow because I was already spending a while on the platform. I was going off and on, off and on. But last year, I decided to take this thing seriously. And I came across live streaming. I was like, oh, wow, this thing would help. I came live. And then the first live I did, barely anyone showed up anyway. I think I got like 5 people on my channel to view. 5 people of the live stream. But I didn't allow that to stop me. I still kept on coming live. And before I could know it, I was getting from 0 views to like hundreds of views, then to thousands of views. You can check it on my channel, like thousands of views. And from there, that momentum pushed my channel to 6,000 subscribers. Wait, don't be too fast forward because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right. I made some mistakes and I don't want you to make this mistake that I made too. I'm going to hold you by the hand and show you exactly what you should do and how you should do it. Now, why does YouTube live stream grows your channel so fast? Number one is that YouTube loves watch hour. Yes, YouTube loves watch time, and live streams are long. They are longer. And since they are longer, audience spend more time on your channel. So this signal YouTube that you have a valuable content. The second one is instant engagement. People can chat with you real time, like as I'm doing my video right now. If it were to be live stream, people can be talking with me and then I'll be responding. And this builds connection like more than pre-recorded video. Another reason is visibility boost. YouTube tend to boost live stream on the live now and on short. Have you ever been scrolling through your short and YouTube suggests you a live stream, like join live stream, watch now, and all of that? Yes, people that would normally not have found your channel find it when you are live because YouTube will push it out to them. So this has an advantage for you to grow. So the more you go live and of course have a valuable content, the more YouTube push your video, and like this your YouTube channel will have more visibility. So now let's break down my strategies. Let me tell you exactly how I use live streaming to grow. First thing, stream consistently. Yes, you have to choose a date and a time where you'll be streaming live because this will make people anticipate your time and your day that you'll be coming live. And once they anticipate it, they'll be coming live. And also, it will help YouTube algorithm to be pushing your live video by that time. For me, I actually chose around 1 p.m. because I observed that I have a very large audience. My viewers were mostly from Nigeria, but the US, India, and I found out that around that time was the perfect time for both this time zone and this other time zone and almost all the time zones. So it was very good for me because I did a test run and then found out that okay, this time was good for me. So I actually started going live there. I was going live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, sometimes on Thursday, but it was mostly Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Mondays. And also my get ready with me videos are usually on a Sunday morning, like before going to church around that kind 8-9. So I found out that this thing works for me and then I started it out. So you also should try out what works for you and then start it out. You have to be consistent with it. Then the second step is have a clear topic. Let me be sincere with you. When I first started out, this was the mistake I made. I would just go like, hey guys. Sometimes people will be asking me what's the live stream of today about a black and but guys, you need to have a clear topic. So with time I actually built it to be like how to do this, how to do that, maybe a question and answer. You can ask me anything, and guys, this helped my channel. So you should have a clear topic. If you want to be talking about cooking, let's say you're a cookie channel, you can be like, okay, how to cook egusi today. You can actually be talking and doing other things, but let that be your clear topic. Or how to get 1,000 subscribers, though you can still talk about, chat about other things, but let that be your clear topic for that video. Step 3 is engage like crazy, guys. See, I call out my viewers' name. I answer every comment except some stupid comments that comes, which of course my community people actually removes, or sometimes I wouldn't want to answer some kind of annoying questions. But aside that, I answered every question, because YouTube live stream is not about perfection, it's about community. You have to build community, build trust. Guys, when you are very engaged, trust me, your live streaming will be growing, and this in the long run will be growing your channel. And this other last step is pushing the replay value. I make sure the thumbnail and topic works, you get, so that once people finish watching, or rather once the live stream ends, people that did not join immediately would, if they join later, they'll get value from it. And most of my viewers, sometimes they are actually at work, and then sometimes they will not be able to, because I have this community, they will not be able to watch that instant, but after which they come back and watch the replay. Make the replay have a good value. Now, it wasn't perfect. I made mistakes, yes, and I want you to avoid these mistakes that I made. First, in fact, overall mistake I made was streaming without structure. Just say some days I'll just come on live stream and then just stream, and then people will ask me, a lot of people were coming to my channel, I'll be like, let's see what's the live stream all about today. I'll be like, we're just chatting, anyways, you can be topic and all of that. That really didn't hold people on my channel. You get, people want to know that this channel, this live stream is about something, so have a clear structure about what your live stream is about. Don't just go over and be here and be here. When you're everywhere, you're not there. Second mistake I made was over relying on stream. I knew from the very beginning that I was using live stream to grow my channel, not as the main purpose, because some persons do live stream as the essence of their channel. I saw this guy is almost like 1 million subscribers. Yes, what it does is just live streams, like the way some persons do short video. Yes, when you know that the sole or goal of your channel is not just live stream, that you still need to be doing long form video, you should not just pack out long form video. No, I relied on live streaming for so long, and my long form video was suffering. Please don't make this mistake. Make sure you actually balance everything out. While you're doing live stream, make sure you also do your long form video. And then the other mistake I want you to avoid is not promoting beforehand, not promoting ahead. Most of the times I will just come to YouTube and then hit the live button without actually scheduling it. YouTube love your content to be organized. YouTube love for your videos to be scheduled. If you schedule a video, YouTube will on the background push this scheduled video to people that are likely going to watch. And also, if you schedule it and then share to other social media like your WhatsApp or your Instagram or your Facebook, it will give you a more turnout, because I've experienced it, than you just hitting go live. So you should try avoid this mistake that I made. Learn from me. Try avoiding over relying on live stream. Balance it up, and then schedule your video ahead. And also, don't stream without structure, please. Yes, one thing that changed everything for me: treat your live stream video as normal videos. This means use a clickable thumbnail, use a searchable title, and give value from the very minute. From the very minute you start your live stream, start talking. Don't wait. Don't talk as if you are demotivated. You understand? Talk as if you are talking to 1,000 people. Even if you are seeing 0 there, talk as if you are talking to 1,000 people. This will help YouTube to push your video both while you are live or on the replay that is after the live stream. You get? So treat your video, your live stream video, as a normal video. This helped me, a whole lot, because I did a whole lot of test run after doing my live stream, and then I'll play it and then make research, and then I found out that this was one thing that helped change everything for me. So that's how I grew to 6,000 subscribers, all through live streaming. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the likes button, and also if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any video. And guys, don't forget, throughout this week I'm going to be sharing with you daily tips on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. And I want to hear from you if you're going to go live, or if you've already started going live, or are you still nervous about going live? Let me hear your comments on the comment section. So until next time, bye bye, stay motivated.